Hi there. Welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. My name is Roland. I recently was thinking about a way I used to promote things on Facebook, and I'm talking like years ago. And I was thinking this is another way of promoting your YouTube channel. So that's what I did. So today I created a picture, and you can see it here, and I put a quote up there. So people are naturally nosy. They will come and they'll see this picture and they'll probably click on it, right? So they'll just click on this, and here's where the magic is. You put a description of this photo in here with some links to your YouTube channel. So I just quickly came out with something like this. I've messed around with several ventures online over the years, dabbled here and dabbled there. When I bought my first computer in 2007, I never thought I'd be so interested in learning different skill sets such as blogging, marketing, eBay store, creating images, and of course creating video. I'm sure I've missed a few. Oh, that's for sure. But it always seems to come back to video. Since I retired, I've had time to do things I've never did before. Each day is a new adventure. If you know me, I like to play. So I decided to mix the two together, play and video. My YouTube channel is called Getting It Done North of 7. Then I put the link to it. And then I put, when you visit my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate your support. Again, you can find my YouTube channel, Getting It Done North of 7, by clicking this link. And I put the link again. So I have the link in there twice. And you know what? It probably would have been a good idea to put the link up higher without having to click on the see more. So I think I will do that. I just thought of that right now. So again, that's just another way, sometimes people will come to your Facebook profile and they'll just look around. They're bored, there's nothing going on. So they're playing around on Facebook, and the old nosy gene is kicking in and they're going to click around your Facebook page and your pictures and look at things. So you could easily put this picture up. I'll close this out. You could have this picture down here, and it'll just get buried by pictures and other Facebook posts that you put up. But if you have it here and it grabs people's attention, which I think this will grab people's attention, they'll come over and click on this. So again, that's just another way to get eyes to your YouTube channel and your videos, or anything else you want people to get to see. And also, it's another backlink to your YouTube channel, which helps you with ranking. It's just another link. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I hope it helps you. And I like to see what other YouTubers are going to do with this as well, what they're going to do with this this tip. So again, it's Roland. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because that will let you know when there's a video coming out. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment below what you think of this tip. And remember, it's always free to subscribe and like and comment. It doesn't cost you a dime, and I appreciate the support. Thanks again. Have a great day.